To download Thinkorswim on your Chromebook, you will first need to ensure that your device meets the necessary system requirements. Thinkorswim is a professional trading platform offered by TD Ameritrade, and it can be installed on a Chromebook using the Android app version. Start by going to the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. If you do not see the Play Store icon, you may need to enable it in your device settings. Once you have accessed the Play Store, use the search bar to look for Thinkorswim. Select the Thinkorswim app from the search results and click the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the Thinkorswim app from the Play Store or from your Chromebook's app drawer. You will be prompted to log in with your TD Ameritrade account credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one from within the app. After logging in, you will have access to the Thinkorswim platform, where you can trade, analyze markets, and manage your accounts. The Thinkorswim app on Chromebook offers many of the same features as the desktop version, including real-time data, technical analysis tools, and trading capabilities. To get the most out of Thinkorswim on your Chromebook, it is recommended that you have a stable internet connection and a compatible device. You should also familiarize yourself with the app's interface and features to ensure a smooth trading experience. In addition to the Android app, you can also access Thinkorswim on your Chromebook using the web-based version. To do this, simply go to the Thinkorswim website and log in with your account credentials. The web-based version offers many of the same features as the app and can be accessed from any device with a supported web browser. Overall, downloading and installing Thinkorswim on your Chromebook is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of the app's features and capabilities, you can trade and manage your accounts from anywhere using your Chromebook.